Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online classes. Today, we are going to study about the conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. Conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. We are going to study about them in detail. Sources of energy are divided into two parts, that is, conventional sources and non-conventional sources. Now let us understand what do you mean by conventional. Something that is standard, regular and generally done. Conventional energy like firewood, cow dung cake, coal, electricity, natural gas, petroleum, all these are in use from ages. They are used as fuel to get heat, light, food and energy. The various conventional sources of energy are coal, petroleum, natural gas and electricity. Coal. Coal is a fossil fuel which is formed by the compression of plant material over millions of years. Coal is used to generate power for industries and household purposes. It is widely used in India for commercial purposes. Coal is also of three types and it depends on the various factors like age or the level of compression, like how old it is and what is the maturity level. Lignite coal. Lignite coal is a soft, low quality brown coal with high moisture. When I say high moisture, means the content of water in this type of coal is really very high. So this coal is formed in places where there is water, lots of water. The decaying of plants take place in a swampy region. So the water content is generally high. This type of coal is used for the generation of electricity and it is found in the places near Naveli in Tamil Nadu. The next type of coal is bituminous coal. Bituminous coal is found deep below the earth's surface and there the temperature is very high. As we go deep down, the temperature increases and it is found in the earth's core. So it is having lots and lots of market value. It is used for commercial purposes, hence the market value is high. This type of coal is used for the smelting of iron. So it is required to take out in the blast furnaces, it is required. So therefore it is having a high market value. The next type of coal is anthracite coal, which is really the highest quality of coal. So if we try to classify coal according to its quality, anthracite coal is of highest quality, then comes the bituminous coal, and lastly we have the lignite coal, which is soft and low quality brown coal. The next conventional source of energy is petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel formed from the remains of ancient marine organisms. So what happens? Algae plants lived in shallow seas and after dying and sinking to the sea floor, the organic material mixed with other sediments got buried and crushed under millions of sedimentary rocks, and over millions of years under high pressure and temperature, the remains of these organisms transformed into what we know today as fossil fuels. It is also found in beneath the land or the ocean floor. It is used to form gasoline, then tires, then in refrigerators, also used in lubricants and creams. It is found in Bombay High, Gujarat and also near Assam. That's all for today. Stay home, stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you.